You look confused, Marta. What's up?
Thanks for asking, Helen. I learned so much in my IDT program about analyzing learning and performance problems, designing, developing, implementing, evaluating and managing instructional and processes and resources. But I still have questions.
Just because you've been trained to use a systematic approach to designing new instructional systems or improving already existing ones doesn't mean you've learned it all. You've already proven you can create effective instructional products.
Thanks for the encouragement, Helen. In my last class, which occurred in an asynchronous discussion forum, a student asked about the future of online learning. I want to get back to him so we can pursue the discussion next time he's online.
Well, that's a big and challenging subject. In a field such as educational technology, where you're dealing with facilitating learning and improving performance using technological processes, things change at a rapid pace. Are you familiar with learning analytics? It deals with student performance and how to more quickly understand it. It includes prescriptions, diagnostics, predictions and descriptions in IDT applications.
Oh, I can see how being able to understand how a student is performing, based on data about them, would greatly help figure out the best way to write instructional materials.
Another interesting area is object-oriented distributed learning.
I've read about that. Linked objects, electronic training jackets, metadata tag areas. I learned about SCORM and its uses in my master's program.
See? You know more about the future of online learning than you thought you did. There's a framework to help teachers use Web 2.0 tools. You should look into it. It's based on TPACK competencies and is called Web Pedagogical Content Knowledge Framework or WPCK. It consists of 3 knowledge fields: content, pedagogy, and web.
That sounds useful, to make sure all teachers are on the same page. But you know what never changes? Our cognitive architecture.
True, Marta. Although our understanding of how memory structures are organized to process and store information may improve over time. Don't forget, though, about your overall plan of activities to achieve your instructional goal. Future thoughts are all very well, but don't overlook the sequence of objectives and learning activities leading to the goal.
Thank you, Helen. You always help me clear up my confusion. I'll summarize this for my student right away.
Glad to help. I love discussing IDT.